Alright, welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maro's Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can set up MTM Tunnel Lite VPN in all countries for a fast connection, a secure connection, and a stable connection. So, if you're new on this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend, and don't forget to like the tutorial. And then that is it. So, we're going to open our Google Play Store. And then once you open the Google Play Store, you're going to search for this application, MTM Tunnel Lite, like that. Take note of the spellings. So you're going to download this application and then install it in your device. And now, after installing it, make sure that you open. Now, keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers' terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. So the goal of this tutorial is to access a secure internet in all countries. So you're going to allow all permissions that will be requested to you by this application, and then check OK, and then join the Telegram channel to keep up with the important updates. Now the first step, you're going to come in that right here where I'm pointing, and then tap onto those dashes, and then but let us first start by updating the servers by tapping the update and then choose online update. And then once after updating the servers, you're going to come where you see auto select server, and then you'll be seeing a list of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 servers. But I recommend you guys to choose a server that is near to your country's location for maximum security and a stable connection. But if you're not able to spot out that server, let me know in the comment section. I'll be guiding you through how to spot that server by just commenting your country and the network. And then for me, I will choose the auto select server, and then I'll come to the network. But if you have a running data bundle on your device, if you're connected to a Wi-Fi, you're free to use Wi-Fi and data. But if you don't have a running data bundle on your device, you're going to scroll down and look for any countries for your country's server. Scroll down. You can just come right here and then type your country's name. They'll be suggesting you with your networks, and I'll show you guys the fastest server right here. You're going to come and then type UDP, but make sure that you have a running data bundle if you want to connect to this of Wi-Fi and data. This one, you must have an active internet connection to connect to that one. To connect to this one, you must have an active internet connection. So if you don't have a running data bundle, make sure that you first purchase a data bundle before connecting to this one. But if not, you're going to use this one, and then press start, and then allow. After, you will see that it has connected successfully, and you're able to access a secure internet in all countries. Alright, let us meet in the next tutorials. I'm Maro's Tech. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share to your friend.